So I'm going to have a final say on the display issues on the OnePlus Nord after using it for over 2 months now and after living through 4 updates. This video is more useful for those who are looking to buy this phone and confused over these display issues than those who already own it because you don't have much choice now. Now, I have installed this latest update using the Oxygen OS updater, but you should get this OTA update soon enough. This is the changelog where there is a line about improving display calibration, and I'm not really going to talk about the other changelog here, but only talk about the display issues once and for all. So first up, I made a detailed video about the tint issues explaining it, and if you haven't seen that, you should totally check that out after this video. Alright, now let's get down to business. So did the display issues disappear magically in this update? Well, last night I checked and they do still exist. Now I'm talking about that pink tint issue around the bottom edges which is more visible on the grayish backgrounds. Now let's talk about some practical stuff. At night, normally people use phones at lower brightness, right? I mean, I personally hover around 20%. Now it's not like the pink tint is hitting right on my face, but on some menus, screens, for example, digital well-being in settings or the dialer app, I can clearly see the tint. Or let's say I'm browsing and I come across some grayish background, then I do see the tint. I've heard some people say that it's only visible on the camera and stuff, but that's not really true. Yes, more prominent on the camera, but still visible to the naked eye, which I already said in my earlier video as well. Now at this point, I'm most certain that this thing is not going to be fixed, and I believe this is not happening with every phone out there, but a certain batch of phones makes me believe that maybe it is a hardware issue, but correct me if I'm wrong. Now the question is not about whether it affects my daily user experience, but the real question is if you are spending around 30k on a phone and if you happen to get a unit like this, would you be okay with this? See guys, the general psychology is even if you buy anything of very small value, we cannot tolerate a small scratch or a dent or basically any minor issue, right? I hope you get the idea. I know you can apply for a replacement and stuff, but go through the forums and you can actually have a good laugh about it. So how bad is the issue? Am I going to throw this phone out or sell this? Definitely not, because like I said, it's not on your face all the time. It doesn't get in my way watching videos or doing most of the things that I do on my phone, but I cannot deny that from time to time I do see that tint and I'm personally okay with it, but you may be different and that little thing could bother you. If you can look past this, then it is not a real problem, but if you are very particular and if you cannot overlook this, then you should probably look at some other options. Now this is not an exclusive problem or an issue with this particular OnePlus Nord, because I have people using other phones comment on my videos talking about similar issues like the K20 Pro and other AMOLED panels. Anyway, so I hope this clearly summed up or gave a clear conclusion for both the existing users and the new potential buyers. And for more such clear, honest videos, do subscribe to the channel and also like this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.